a day going out to the bay. It's a little more turbulent than what we saw this morning, so our flow is probably about 150, 160. And we're basically sitting right on top of two 108-inch pipes, and it's our two discharge pipes that run right out to the bay. And from time to time, when our meters, actually the blue pipe right there is our meters. You can see the cables and all that going down into the flange. Now those are our meters, and every once in a while they'll act up, and we have to put a diver in water. We'll have to still the flow down to about 30 million gallons a day, and we can get a diver in there and actually work on our meter. It's going that way. Yeah. Now in the far back you can see a white building with a blue door. That's our SO2 room. Now if for some reason we had a little residual chlorine left, we can kill off or neutralize the chlorine with that building there. We have meters all the way down the channel, and if it ever senses any chlorine, then we can neutralize it. So just across from that white building is a bridge, a weir bridge, and high tide, the water will go over the bridge, come back, actually surcharge this area a little bit. Not a lot, but it will. But at low tide, it's about a 12-foot drop over the bridge. So we have some pretty high record tides. Well, back in 82, we had a high record tide, and basically, well, it flooded out LB. So we actually got flown into work 15 days on a helicopter every day.